everyone! Today we're going to do some color mixing with markers, and we're using a piece of wax board. I have gone ahead and drawn a little base for you on your wax board that looks a little bit like a flower pot or a bowl. What I'd like you to do is take two markers. I'm going to use red and yellow and put two little dots of those colors down next to each other on your wax board. And then you're going to take your finger and try mixing them together and see what color they make. So again, I'm taking two colors. This time I'm going to try blue and yellow. I don't want those colors to touch yet. I just want to have them next to each other. And then I'm going to take my finger and go in a little circle to make a little puff of color. It could be like a little oval or circular shape. And what we're doing here is we're experimenting. We're trying to see what new colors we can make. We're trying to see what happens when you blend those colors together. And because we're using wax board, those colors are never going to completely soak into the paper. They're always going to be sitting on the surface. So what that means is you can keep adding and mixing colors into those old colors. You can wipe the colors away. You can blend them. If you were using regular paper, that wouldn't work. So I want you to make a lot of little puff balls of color, all different types. And later on, I'm going to give you a couple choices. One idea is you can make these into an ice cream sundae, and these could each be scoops of ice cream. So each one of these could be a scoop of ice cream, and then you could take your markers later and you could add syrup or whipped cream or a cherry on top to make this into a big giant ice cream sundae. Another idea is you could make this into a little bouquet of flowers. So once I'm done with this, I'll show you what that could look like. But basically, just have fun mixing colors, and then at the end you can add details with your marker. Make sure you let it dry a little bit before you touch it too much so that it doesn't get too messy. When you're done, you will also want to wash your hands because your hands will be a little bit markery.